What's going on, guys? This is Matt with Matthew Motors. It is a sunny day here in Medina, Ohio. The sun is out. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's going on with Farm Fresh here. Got a couple things I do want to go over and keep you guys up to speed. So my birthday is next weekend, so Mom and Dad got me an early birthday present. We got ourselves a new jacket, SFI approved. As well as the jacket, we also got this awesome Race Whip helmet. Got the white with the visor, all nostalgic looking. So shout out to Mom and Dad for getting me those. They are awesome. A couple other things we did. We added our neutral safety switch. Still gotta clean up those wires a little bit, but we added our neutral safety switch so we can pass tech. Along with that, we got our brand new Simpson 5-point harness in there. Our old one was out of spec. This is actually our old one. Installed it over here in case we go to an event where we can ride some passengers around. We did that. And one of the other things we did, we had to install this little diode right here, because when we would shut the car off with our kill switch, the car would keep running. It would almost like keep breaking up, like it was running on 6 cylinders or something like that. So we added that diode so it wouldn't backfeed to the ignition. That works fine. I can show you guys that here in a bit. Also, this video is not sponsored by Miller Lite, but it sure should be. We added ourselves a groovy little overflow can there. I think that's about it. That's all we really done lately. Another thing we want to add, so these were originally on these headers when I bought them. They kind of went like that, and they were straight back. Well, what we're gonna do, I have these old school hair ditties, and you can tell how sopping wet that is with oil. We're gonna get new breathers with hoses, run some evac hoses, and we're actually gonna weld these going out sideways like that. And we're gonna weld a bung in there, and we're gonna run a hose from there up to the breather so that oil can burn off. So other than that, this thing is about ready for racing. We're checking some timing, making sure we're getting the most horsepower out of this 408 that we got in here. Besides for that, we are ready to go racing. We got some big plans for the rear suspension come winter time, so you guys stay tuned for that sort of thing. Other than that, Farm Fresh is ready for the track. So let me show you how we did this kill switch here. Put it right back there underneath the tail light. But let me start this thing up, and I'll show you guys how everything works now. Look at that, we got it to work. So yeah, installing that switch was actually pretty easy. We got one of the 4-post switch. We got the 2 big posts, just intersected the battery. NHRA wants you to cut it off from the positive side. So we just intersected our battery cable going up to the starter. So intersected that, and then the other one we ran, the small post, we ran it from the positive side of the battery into the switch, and we ran that right up to our alternator. Now we have the original style, the Delco style as they call them, alternator, which is the 3-wire. So we kept our plug in there. The plug, you have the one that goes into the harness. I believe that runs into the ignition switch. Then you have the other one that connects to the post, and then your third one is usually what gives, goes back to your starter or wherever it may go in your car, however your harness is set up. We got rid of that one, replaced it with the wire that goes back to the switch. So when our car is running, that alternator is only going to charge the battery. It's not going to run through the system at all. All it does is charge the battery when the car is running. The issue we were having, it was backfeeding through that white wire. They call it the field wire. We just had to install a diode on that, got that thing installed in there, and that stopped our backfeeding problem. And as you can see, our switch works perfectly. So, should be able to pass tech. We plan to go to Dragway 42 this upcoming Friday. See what this thing will do with the new Mickey Thompsons. Pretty excited about that. The Mickey Thompsons maybe have 2 miles on them as far as maybe driving around the shop a couple times and moving the car in and out in the shop. So super excited to see what the car is going to do. So we will be sure to take plenty of videos and post them up next Friday when we go to the track. So thanks again for all the viewers, all the subscribers. If you guys like what you see, or if you guys want to see something specific, you got any questions, comment below, or find us on Facebook, find us on Instagram, YouTube, whatever it may be, and shoot us a like, shoot us a comment, subscribe, follow, whatever it may be. We're super excited about the channel and how it's growing, so stay tuned for more. Farm Fresh is coming your way.